Welcome to part 5 of my video, where I have decided that I will get the car resprayed, as machine polish has not helped. As you see, the paintwork is real dull and many surface scratches all over. Here is the car following a respray and with new set of monoblock 17-inch alloys. I have spent time also giving the interior deep clean, and it's come out fairly good. Thanks for watching and following the journey on my Mercedes 190 to date. Stay tuned for further modifications coming soon, so hit that subscribe button